Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add or remove Facebook group features. If you're using Facebook and you want to add or remove features to your Facebook group, so let's see how we can do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. Let's say I'm going to open my Facebook in my browser. You can open your Facebook in your app. The process will be pretty same for both, and here you just have to click on pages here or click on groups here. Now once you are in groups, just select a group, and once you are in the same group, you just have to scroll down and just go to group settings. Now under group settings, just further scroll down and you might see added to group and here features added capabilities. So in this section, you can add or remove features to your group. So here are some features I have added, and here I can now add more features by clicking on add new. If you want to delete any feature from here, you can also do that. Let's say I'm gonna delete the contribution from here or just a reels feature. So you can click on this pencil icon and click on remove. Click on remove again, and this feature will be removed from your group. You can also click on add new, and now you can add multiple features like here post formats. You can click on see all to see all available features here. And I'm gonna click on reel, add this, and here reels money. I want to add this also. Here question and answer, product tagging. Here's looking for players, and multiple features you can add from here. After that, you can add other features like buying and selling. And here's the player info, guides, game links, fantasy games, or everything you want to add to your group. You can add that from here. So this is the way you can easily add multiple features to your group. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.